Unit 7, Lessons 3 and 4. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Bug. Spots. The bug has spots. How many spots are there in the bugs? Number 1, there are 2 spots. Number 2, there are 4 spots. Frog. Pen. Pencil. Ruler. Crayon. Boy. Girl. Short. Shorter. Long. Longer. Which is shorter? The bug is shorter than the frog. The girl is shorter than the boy. Which is longer? The ruler is longer than the crayon. Which is longer? The pencil is longer than the pen. Bug, frog, pen, pencil, ruler, crayon, boy, girl, long, longer, short, shorter.